Today, I'll be showing you how to test a 2018 to 2020 Toyota Camry LED headlight. So the first thing I want to note is that there are two models of LED headlights for this generation Camry. There is this one, which is the base model, and then there's an upgraded one that is considered full LED. And you can tell the difference here because this one has an actual halogen turn signal bulb, whereas the full LED will have some strips here, and this section will be LED, and there will be no replaceable bulbs on that light. So I'll go ahead and turn the light around and show you the wire connector and which wires we're going to be dealing with here. I've unclipped the wire connector from the housing so that I can show you the wires here. We can see that this connector has 5 wires. The bottom row center is a blank. There is no wire here. We're going to be dealing with the top right connector here. And when I say top right, I'm talking about from the inside from the pin. So we'll be dealing with the black one, the yellow wire, and the blue wire that is just below the black. The black wire is our ground. The blue wire is the positive for our bi LED functionality. The yellow wire on the top left corner is the positive wire for our LED drive unit and the fan. Looking at it from the pin side of the connector, the top left is the ground, the bottom right is the positive for the bi LED, and the top left is the positive for the LED and fan. We will not be using the top center or the bottom left connectors for this test. I'm going to go ahead and get my wires connected and show you what I'm doing. I now have my wire leads connected, so I have my positive to the top left to turn on the low beam LED functionality and my ground on the top right. I have left the bi LED functionality disconnected for the time being, and I will flip this on and off to show you what it does while it's running. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the light. So now the LED drive unit is on, and if you can't hear it, there is a fan whirring on the inside of the light. So now I'm going to go ahead and connect that third wire that I set up to turn on the bi LED functionality. So now the flap moved inside of the projector, and you should be able to see that there's a little bit more light floating through the projector. So there it is in normal mode, and here is the bi LED mode. That's all you need to do to test one of these Camry LED headlights. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.